Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is Taurus for July the 4th to July the 7th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto, meron po tayong mga ibang readings doon, no? So, might as well check on it and magpo-post na rin po tayo ng regular doon sa Babaylan TV. So, might as well subscribe na rin po. Kung gusto niyo pong magtanong, pwede rin dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Speaking of the likes, kung gusto niyo po ng mahaba-habang reading katulad nung sa Gemini, i-check niyo po na or make sure na naka-like kayo kasi ang goal po is 200 likes and we will go deep dive doon sa inyong readings mga twice or 3 times ang length ng Gemini reading. Ayan. So, Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Taurus, simulan na natin. You know what? I feel like medyo dire-diretso na itong relationship natin papunta sa isang passionate, loving, full of expressions, no? So magiging expressive itong relationship ninyo. I feel like you have also done your part when it comes to expressing this emotion. I feel like you are waiting for your person to reciprocate, diba? Para mabalance, no? Let's just say na with the Wheel of Fortune and the Nine of Wands, so ito na po ang, kumbaga, ang gateway, no? Ang portal for your person to fully submit, yung kanilang emotion. Pwedeng ito through words or through actions, no? I think na etong season na ito, mas makikita po ninyo ang pagiging vocal, abundant, at pagiging mag-i-invest, no? Pag-i-invest ni person sa inyo. With the World card, I think talagang dire-diretso na kasi with the World card showed up and the Nine of Swords. Baka naman ikaw pa ang ma-stress, no? Dahil sabihin mo, bakit nakakaganito si person? Bakit parang lately, ang dami niyang ginagawang tama, no? Para pasayahin ako. Nakakaduda, no? Nakakapanibago kasi hindi naman ganito si person ko. Well, wag po kayong magtaka kasi this is in effect of the Neptune retrograde, no? So Neptune is also a part of a dreamy, expressive, loving, sign, let's see with the Emperor, and the Five of Wands. I think parang mawiwid lang kayo kasi parang kakaaway lang natin. Tapos gusto mo makipagbati agad. Usually, ayaw mong mamansin kapag meron tayong mga kaunting problema, no? Usually, kapag ako ang nagkakamali, galit ka, no? Yan. Pag ikaw, galit ka pa din. So, this time, parang makikita mo yung apologies, no? So, kung meron man mga nagawa, ito si person sa iyo. Ang ikakagulat natin dito is baka mag-start pa siyang i-court ka ulit, no? Yung ligawan ka ulit. Babalik kayo sa square one na magiging sweet siya sa'yo. Ah, wow. I feel like this connection, I believe, happens for for the most numbers of you dito sa either wala pa kayong label or single pala. Pero kahit walang I love you, kahit walang usapan na tayo ba talaga, no? Mas mararamdaman mo na parang itong person na ito is giving in, no? Kumbaga, parang mas fina-follow niya yung puso niya kesa sa logic ngayon, no? Uh, with the Seven of Swords and the Empress, oh wow. Um, ang nakikita ko lang dito is itong person mo is magiging sexual, also PDA, no? Public display of affection, uh, parang magiging touchy, no? Ang dami kong nakikitang mga kakaibang bagay na ikakasaya mo naman pero medyo um, taka mo rin, no? With the King of Cups and the Three of Cups, I think that this person wanted to date you, probably wanting to ask you out. No, maraming bagay itong gagawin na hindi niya ginagawa sa salita, no? Pero sa gawa, magaling siya with the Two of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. I believe na itong taong to is mag-i-start na siyang makipag-commit. Like, really commitment, no? Um, Parang bigla-bigla na lang din, no? Merong mga I love yous, um, merong mga regalo, no? Isa lang ang pwede nating pasalamat dito. Of course, no, yung nasa taas, the answered prayers. And I feel like there is an effect of this Neptune retrograde, no? Parang mas ipaparamdam niya sa iyo yung ang ganda-ganda mo, walang iba sa mata ko, sa iyo lang ako nakafocus, no? Ah, Huwag tayong magtaka ha, kasi again, may mga factors na we are being pulled to do something kung hindi tayo aware yung mga planetary alignment na yan. Ano? So, tingnan natin itong gustong sabihin, no, ni person mo sa'yo. You're mine forever and ever. So, pakiwari ko, baka makakagawa ito ng isang desisyon, baka mag-propose um, doon sa mga singles or in a sabihin natin walang label, biglang sabihin, oh, official na tayo na, no? So, let's see. This is a message from the spirit guides, guardian angel, higher self, universe, whatever you want to call this entity. Have more faith in yourself. Be proud of how you are navigating every curveball that life throws at you. How you deal with those times shows your true inner resilience. Nothing can break that. That in itself is an inspiration for others. Keep shining your light. So I also think na because of sa tiyaga mo din, no, sa person mo, nakikita niya yung inner beauty natin, nakikita niya yung halaga natin, nakikita niya, uy, sino ba ang magtsatsaga sa akin, no? Si Taurus lang. So, claim this, you deserve to be loved, Taurus. Again, this is your reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. I'm seeing Taurus, baka kapwa Taurus, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Sagittarius, Leo, Aries. Yan, so yan ang iyong reading. So para po again sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong isang channel. Yun po ang ating unang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po is catered to our international audiences, and nagla-live din po tayo doon. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito po sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung feeling nyo naman hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, nasagot lang, no, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po dong link. All you have to do is to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, how to ask a question, how much is it, the QR code, the payment method, or the mode of payment. No, I also have a 4 questions plus 1, so that as discounted price. Kung gusto niyo po mag-book ng ating private reading, nandun po yan sa description box. So this is your reading. Taurus, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no, sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just